Hey everybody, it's Mr. Carr again. Today we're going to talk about 9.3. These are angles formed outside of a circle. Okay, so to get this, we are going to be creating it with three possibilities. We have tangent and a secant, two tangents or two secants. Now, let me show real quick what a secant is. Okay, a secant, okay, it's a line that intersects a circle twice and exists inside and outside the circle. Okay, so any secant kind of looks like this. Let me I'll just draw it over here. So I have a circle. I cross through two times. Here's my two intersection points, and maybe it goes on forever like that. That's a secant. Okay. So it exists inside and outside. Okay. And it intersects two times. So if we get a scenario where a tangent and a secant, two tangents or two secants intersect outside a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is 1/2 the difference of the measures of the intercepted arcs. Okay, so let's take a look at what that means here for these shapes. Let's draw my circle, make it nice and neat. And let's just duplicate that. All right, so first thing is secant and secant. Okay, so if I have these points A, B, and then C and D, okay, the intercepted arcs here are going to be these two. We got AB here at those endpoints, and then we have CD right there. So the overall here, if I call this, I'll call it angle 1. The measure of angle 1 is equal to 1/2 the arc AB minus arc CD. Okay. So we're doing AB minus CD there. The next one is a tangent and a tangent. So okay, close enough. So I'm going to put these out here. Let's say A, B. I'm going to actually put C over here. Okay, so same thing that's going to happen here. The intercepted arcs are, this one is ACB, and then this one here is AB. So the measure of, and this will be angle 2. Measure of angle 2 is 1/2 the difference of arc ACB minus arc AB. And my last one is a tangent and a secant. So here's my tangent line and my secant. Okay, so I have this here. Here's my same idea as before. Here's my outer arc. Oops, forgot to label the points. Let's go A, B, and then we'll go C here. Okay, I got the outer arc in red, the inner arc in blue here. So the measure, this will be angle 3. Measure of angle 3 is 1/2 arc AB minus arc AC. Oh, froze up a little bit. There we go. Sorry. Whew. It's back. So angle 3 here, the measure of that is 1/2 times the AB minus AC. All three of these are the same setup. You notice I kind of color coded in red and blue there. Every single time we have angles formed on the outside, we're always going to be able to take 1/2 the outer arc minus the inner arc. That's what we're really doing. They just look a little bit different each time. And other times you might have to go through a little bit extra steps just to get there. So for now, we're going to set up this right here. We've got the outer arc is 170. So we got 170 here. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Inner arc is 72. Outer arc is 170. And then angle X there. So the measure of angle X is equal to 1/2 the outer arc 170 minus the inner arc 72. So I could just do my order of operations. So I have 1/2, 170 minus 72 is going to give me 98. The measure of angle X is going to be 1/2 of that. So that's 49 degrees. Did it again. Okay. So just working through that, 1/2 of 98, then the measure of angle X is 49 degrees. Now these problems are always the same. It's outer arc minus inner arc, and you multiply it by 1/2. You might have to do some other things like for example, this one. I'll just talk about the setup for some of these. My outer arc is Y, my inner arc is 30, and the angle is 26. So that means 26 is equal to 1/2 the outer arc Y minus 30. Okay, from there, you have multiple options for solving. You can distribute the 1/2 or multiply both sides here by 2. If I do that, that'll cancel that out. It's a little bit easier to work with. You don't have to deal with fractions. Okay, can also get more complicated with my setup for like number 2 for you try now. Maybe I put all algebra expressions, I have the 30 there. Still going to do the same thing. So like I said, I'm going to take outer arc, so 5x plus 10, minus the inner arc, and then 1/2 of all that is equal to the angle right there, 30. Notice when I set this up, I subtracted the inner arc here. I'm subtracting the whole thing in parentheses because it's important that you do it this way. You're going to have 5x plus 10 minus 3x and minus 4. You are subtracting the entire expression, 3x plus 4. So both the 3x and the 4 get subtracted there. Okay, so from there, I'll let you finish this problem out. But that is it for 9.3. All right. Take care, everybody. Oh, sorry, real quick, one last summary. This is the big idea. To find that outer angle, we subtract we take 1/2 of the subtraction of outer arc minus the inner arc. And that's it. That's the main idea for 9.3. All right. Take care, everybody.